Training Guys, and I'm here with Jason and Jim. We're gonna go out and catch some bait, and then hopefully get some big bass.
So that's where you take your fly rod.
Oh, you want me to grab it?
You could, if you think
It's
you
a
could
30-inch
hit it in
fish.
there.
Oh, I can definitely get it. Fine, come on.
Grab it right here, real quick. Yeah.
Watch your foot. I see him. I
That's
see
a
him.
smaller
I see him.
bass.
Oh, God.
That's,
Oh my God! Look at him. Look at
Yeah.
him chasing it around.
yeah,
Come on. Oh, come on.
that's a small bass for that size bait.
Reeling like a man.
Yeah.
I'll take Elias, a good fish, I think. Keep the rod up, a little bit more bend in the rod. Yep. Nice. The best fisherman in the boat is Rodney, the rod holder.
Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Still pulling.
Really good fish.
Working out those wimpy arms, old man.
Keep a good bend in that rod, okay?
Good bend.
Yeah, there it is. Nice fish. See it out there?
Yeah, that's nice.
If you fall in, toss the camera and I'll catch
exactly.
it. We'll pick you up after.
Yeah, I've heard that before.
Come on, buddy. I'll get you. I'll win.
Don't count the chickens before they hatch.
Oh, he's gonna fight all the way.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Just like the trout you catch up there in the farm.
This guy will eat those trout.
Oh, look at him bend that. Oh,
There you go, there you go.
That's good.
job.
Don't reel anymore.
look
Woo!
at him. Look at him.
Yeah,
Look
look
at him.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Got him. Nice fish.
Holy
Good
mackerel.
job.
Nice.
Oh.
There you go. That's a solid
Are you
fish.
kidding me?
Huh?
Holy mackerel. Jay, take a look at that.
Yeah, we're gonna get a picture of you with it.
Oh my God. Jay.
Yeah, we gotta get a picture.
32
man.
pounds.
30.
Nice.
Pounder. What's that?
30,
The 30-pound class.
32 pounds.
32.
Don't sell them short.
All right, I won't, man. If it's something.
Yeah. Yeah, now.
Hang on. Got him.
Smile, Pop. Smile, man.
I can't smile any more than I am. This is awesome.
Kind of got to swirl them a little bit. Nice.
Yeah, they're fine.
Nice.
All right, good job.
That was the biggest fish you've caught, right?
Absolutely, no
Yeah.
doubt. The largest fish I ever caught. It felt like thunder and lightning, I'll tell you, when he hooked on. Unbelievable.
What'd you think when you saw it come to the surface?
I knew I had on a big fish, but not like that.
Yeah,
That
it
was
was
just
beautiful.
huge. Just huge.
Small guy?
Yeah.
If you want to keep one, this might be
Yeah.
Let's see.
might have.
Yeah, I think so.
A little bit.
Nice how you took the top water plug, you know?
Yeah, maybe give that a cast.
Jim.
Oh man, he's got.
Right behind the boat.
Oh, now he's going under the boat. Right there, right there. Freaking boat. Oh no.
Pull him that way. Pull him over the motor. Pull him over the top. Yep, there you go. Good job. Good.
Keep moving this way.
Yep, you're fine. Right there. Now just bring him over to me.
Oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Oh, that's nice.
We'll take that.
Absolutely.
Ready? Right here. Cool.
There we go.
There's no set.
There you
Got him
go.
now. Nope.
Oh,
Come on.
I would have bet on that one. There we go.
There you go. Just going right through the nostril.
This way.
Yeah. That's all.
How's it feel, Jim?
Oh, I love it. He's a fighter.
That was a nice hook set you had.
And avoid Jimmy.
Ah, come on. Come on, boys. I just want to see him break the surface. He's running, but I'm winning.
Fighter.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a monster. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Oh, I'm getting pretty good at this now. Oh man. Look at this fish, Jay. Are you kidding me?
What it's all about, man.
Gotta revive him a little bit. Show him how to drill it. Swirling. Nice.
Good job. Woohoo! Enjoying yourself, Jim?
Like it was twice its size, though. He really, he crushed it.
Yeah. Oh, I can still see the swirl. Fighting the fish is what it's all about.
That looks like a solid fish too, right?
Nice, very solid.
Just overload the rod when he's near the boat in case that plug releases. Keep the rod just a little bit lower in case the plug flies out. You don't want it to come back in.
That's a nice fish. He's got some funky little wrap.
So you know how to do it. Nice. Yeah, man. Yeah. Sweet. Good. Cool. Yeah, send it back.